And welcome to one of my Excel videos. My name is Ken Atigari. Now, this is going to be a series of lessons, and in this series of lessons, we're going to be talking about conditional formatting. Right, what is conditional formatting? How do you get to conditional formatting? Now, the first thing, this is Excel 2010. To get to conditional formatting, you come over to the Home part of the ribbon, Home tab. Then over here on the styles, you've got conditional formatting here. Click on conditional formatting and you see the different types of conditional formatting. And for me, the real big one here is rules, new rules. The reason is because I can work with this to produce any of the other conditional formatting types that I showed you previously. Right, so let's kind of have a grasp of what conditional formatting is. I'm quickly going to create an array of data. I'm going to pause the video for a while and do that. Right, I'm back. I've created an array of data set here, a data set where I can refresh the data. Okay, so now I want to show you how I can work conditional formatting here. I go over to Home, Conditional Formatting. Let's say I pick everything first, sorry. I could decide to say something like this. Let's imagine a project where I say, you know what? I want to identify every every value that is greater than 10. I want it to be highlighted, the cell to be highlighted red. So I come over here, highlight cell rules greater than 10. Then I come over here, custom format, go to fill, and then red. Okay, so there you go. All the values that are greater than 10 are highlighted red. So if I'm to change this, all the values greater than 10 are highlighted red. So let's try this. This is highlighting the cells. Let's try to conditionally format something else. Let's say the values in the cell. So what I'm going to do is to get rid of the format. I do that by coming here, clear rules. I go to clear rules from the entire sheet. So I click on that. It's out. So now I pick this all up again. I come in here, highlight cell rules greater than 10. Then this time I do the custom format again, and this time I'm going to change the font. If it's greater than 10, then I want the font to let's see. I want it to to be underlined single, and I want the font color to be, let's try blue. Yeah, then I want, what else should we do now? Let's, the font style, I want it to be bold. Strike through effects. Yeah, let's make it strike through. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, okay. So there we go. You can see anything greater than 10, it's got a blue, it's now colored blue. It has, it's underlined, and you've got to strike through. And of course, like I said, it's bold, so change that. And so that's how you can basically work with conditional formatting. And remember, over here, I'm using the greater than rule. I can do that for less than, between, equal to, text that contains, etc., etc. In fact, in other lessons, probably I'm going to have maybe 10, 15 lessons on conditional formatting. So we walk through each of them and see how they work. Thank you for watching this video. Please do join me for the next video. Bye bye.